Hello everyone, my name is Alex. I'm with Loudon Architecture, and today I'm going to be walking you through the classic ranch. This is an accessory dwelling unit design that is 845 square feet. It features 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom and a large open living area. So really it could even be used as a primary dwelling if you'd like, but it is designed to be a legal accessory dwelling unit here in California. This has a very traditional exterior with a lot of classic trims and details that give this a lot of character and allow it to fit very well into a lot of existing neighborhoods too. We've got some detail work on the post here with some stone and this horizontal fiber cement siding that could be a variety of different colors, and it also provides some additional fire resistance too for communities that are more prone to fires. Moving in here, we walk into the large open living area where we've got plenty of space for a variety of different furnishing arrangements. We've got space for a dining table in the back here, and then a lot of natural light coming in from the sliding glass door and the windows in the front. And then this opens up into the kitchen beyond. We've got a little entry alcove to provide a bit of transition space into the unit. And over here on the right, we've got a stacking washer dryer closet as well. Moving into the kitchen, you'll see we've got the full array of full-size appliances. We've got plenty of countertop space, lots of cabinetry, and these upper cabinets could even wrap the corner. You could have additional upper cabinets and a microwave range hood to provide additional storage space. But speaking of storage space, we do have a pantry here, which is rare to see in an accessory dwelling unit. That could provide a lot of long-term storage and space to be able to reach in. It's very accessible right off the kitchen here. Moving around the corner, we'll come into the more private area of the house. And on the right, you'll see this is a linen cabinet. You can reach in, you can store all the different linens and things that you need to be able to keep out of the more public areas of the house. Moving into the bathroom here, we've got a full bathroom. We'll have space for a mirror, and this is a tub shower combo, but it could easily be replaced with a shower, even with a flush threshold as well. Coming into the first bedroom, this is the smaller of the 2 bedrooms. It's got plenty of space to comfortably fit a full-size bed, and it's got a closet on the right here. Again, a lot of natural light, plenty of window for safe emergency exiting as well. And then we'll move into the second bedroom here, and this has plenty of space for a queen-size bed. Again, more windows, and this one has a large closet as well for additional storage space. Moving over to the right, we'll come outside the sliding glass door, and this is an area where, depending on the site arrangement and how this is placed on the property, you could have an outdoor patio or a deck, space for outdoor seating, and treat it kind of like a backyard area as well. And there you have it. This is the classic ranch. Feel free to check out this design and a variety of other designs on our website at loudonarchitecture.com. Thank you so much for joining us, and we will see you in the next one.